Hey y'all, FAFSA girl. So once you submitted your FAFSA, you are assigned an EFC number. EFC is the expected family contribution number, and it is an index number which determines your eligibility for financial aid via the FAFSA. The closer that number is to 0, the more eligible you are. Now, I've just made a TikTok video explaining how you can determine what your potential Pell Grant dollar amount will be based on your expected family contribution number. So if you find it helpful, make sure to check that TikTok video out. It's immediately before this one. Now, if your expected family contribution number, aka your EFC, is not 0 and your income has declined since the tax reporting year being requested on the FAFSA, you can appeal your FAFSA to the financial aid office. If your appeal is approved, it will bring down your EFC number, making you eligible for more financial aid dollars. Make sure you're following me here for more advice on how to apply for FAFSA and other types of financial aid.